Beneath the rolling plains of the Free State lies a story forged in iron and gold. This is the tale of Allanridge, a town born from the stubborn persistence of dreamers and the ancient riches of the earth. It began in 1896. Archibald Mixon, a man with an eye for the ground's secrets, discovers a strange outcrop on the farm Allanridge. He doesn't know it yet, but he's standing on one of the world's greatest treasure troves. But history isn't always kind. The Anglo-Boer War erupts, turning the peaceful plains into a battlefield. Megson's dream is put on hold as Barend Christian Klopper is sent to the prisoner of war camps on the remote island of St. Helena. After Barend Christian Klopper returned from exile, Megson returns to the spot he named Allanridge, Remembrance. With primitive tools and a singular focus, he begins the Allanridge pit. He digs 100 feet deep, but the reef remains elusive. He takes his samples to Johannesburg, but the mining houses remain unconvinced, and the pit is abandoned. Decades pass until 1932. In a quiet corner of a Johannesburg pub, Alan Roberts, the man they called Clip Doctor, sits across from a ghost of the past. An aging Megson reaches out, his hands tremble as he slides the weathered maps across the scarred wood. The secret is past. In that moment, the air changes. Roberts looks at the ink, and he sees it. He sees the future Megson couldn't reach, a turning point. The dream is finally alive. Roberts founds the Wood Extensions Company. For 5 years they drill. Day and night, the iron bites into the ancient stone. They miss the reef by a mere 400 feet, a heartbeat in geological time. But on the surface, time is running out. The investors grow cold, the ledger bleeds red. The machinery stalls, hissing steam into the quiet veld. Silence falls over the rig. But in the dust and the quiet, Robert's belief never wavers. He doesn't need the maps. He doesn't need the money. He knows the gold is there.
Then, the miracle! April 1946. The world is rising from the ashes of war. But in the heart of the Free State, the earth is about to crack wide open. The St. Helena borehole hits. Deep in the dark, the diamond bit bites through. The Battle Reef is struck at a staggering depth. It is the richest strike in South African history. The maps are redrawn. The fortunes are made. The boom has arrived!
Out of the dust and the scrub, a new town rises from the veld, proclaimed in honor of the man who never lost faith. The town of Allanridge. It becomes a beacon in the golden heart of the country, a hub for thousands of families, drawn by the hope and the promise of the Lorraine gold mine. Where there was once only silence and stone, there is now the laughter of children, the glow of porch lights, and the steady pulse of a community built on a dream. Allanridge, a legacy carved in gold.
The 1960s arrive, and Allanridge flourishes. The veld is transformed into a tapestry of life. New schools ring with laughter. At the center of it all, the Lorraine mine. It is the steady heartbeat of the streets. Providing more than just gold, it provides stability, a shared identity. This is a tight-knit community, forged in the deep and celebrated on the surface. A town in its prime, a town with a future as bright as the ore beneath its feet.
The 1980s arrive with a cold wind. The economic tide begins to turn. Gold prices flicker and fall, and the mining landscape that once seemed eternal starts to shift. These are the lean years. The streets grow quieter, and the shadows grow long. But in the face of the struggle, the people of Allanridge show their true character. They don't break. They adapt, neighbors supporting neighbors, holding steady through the fluctuations and the doubt. Hard times don't change the town. They reveal it. The new millennium dawns. A fresh chapter begins in the heart of a changing South Africa. The old ways are changing, and a new vision takes hold. Allanridge evolves. It is no longer just a town of the deep, but a community finding its place in a modern world. preserving the iron-willed heritage of the past while building the foundations of a sustainable tomorrow. From the legacy of the Lorraine mine to the promise of new growth, the focus shifts. The heart remains the same. A town looking upward, toward the horizon. Today, Allanridge stands as a testament, a monument to the iron-willed truth that greatness requires more than a stroke of luck. It requires the courage to keep digging. When the world has gone quiet, when the money has run dry, and when everyone else has stopped. The legend of the Andank pit isn't buried in the rock. It lives on, in the grit, the laughter, and the spirit of every family that calls this place home. The legacy remains. The gold is here.